In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for beginners. We'll start at the home page and build an exam tracking board from a template, complete with subjects, statuses, dates, and clear groups. From the Monday.com homepage, sign into your workspace and look for the blue plus button at the top. Click it, choose Board, and then select Start with Template. Using a template is the fastest way to learn because it sets up the core structure for you. In the Template Center, scroll the categories on the left and open Education. From there, choose the template called Get Ready for Exams. It's designed for tracking subjects, due dates, and progress. Click Use Template, and a new board is created in your account with columns and example items ready to customize. When the board opens, you'll see sample subjects. Add your own by creating a new row, click the new item line, and type Physical Education. Keep names short and consistent so they're easy to scan. Remember, each row is an item, columns hold details like status and date, and the colored header above the items is a group. Let's rename the default group to make it meaningful. You may see it labeled My Exams at the top. Click the group name to select it, then click again to edit, and change it to First Quarter Exams. Groups separate phases, quarters, or categories within the same board and make filtering and reporting much clearer as your list grows. Next, set a status for one of the subjects. In the status column, click the colored pill and choose Done for anything you finished. Status labels are customizable, but Done is universally understood, which helps with summaries and widgets elsewhere in Monday.com. Update the exam date so your timeline is accurate. Click the date cell that shows an older date to open the date picker. First switch the year to the current year, then choose November and pick the 12th. The cell updates immediately. Correct dates drive calendar views, reminders, and timelines, so it's worth taking a second to set them precisely. Head back to the main board overview and make it easier to read. Hover between column headers until the resize handle appears, then drag to widen any column that feels cramped. Small adjustments like this help you see long subject names or notes without extra clicks and don't change any underlying data. Now, highlight the trigonometry item to review it and confirm its status. Each item represents a single subject or exam task, and the status should reflect exactly where you are right now. Avoid marking something done until preparation is truly complete. Accurate statuses keep your plan honest and your dashboard reliable. To plan ahead, add another group to the board. Click Add New Group, and a fresh section appears. Rename it to Second Quarter Exams. Structuring groups by quarter gives you a clear timeline for the school year and makes it easy to collapse or archive past terms when you're finished with them. At this point, you've created a board from a template, added a subject, renamed a group, set a status, updated a date to the correct year and day, adjusted columns for clarity, checked an item, and prepared the next quarter. Keep refining the same way. Add subjects as items, use statuses to show progress, and set dates so your schedule remains trustworthy. If you like, you can later customize column names or label colors to match your study style without changing how the board behaves. That's the foundation you need to get productive on Monday.com as a beginner. Save your changes if prompted, and you're ready to build out the rest of your exam plan with confidence.